Hello guys, for you to claim or earn 2000 Tron free and convert it to any currency of your choice, then you need to watch this video and make sure you don't miss any part of this video from beginning to the end. Let's go. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded TronLink Pro into your phone or your system. Otherwise, just follow the instructions on this video as I will guide you on how to do it without missing a single step. Go to your Play Store or App Store, depends on the type of phone you are using. On the App Store, search for TronLink Pro and download it. Allow it to download, then open it when done. Then click on Create Account. Make sure you scroll to the last part of the content of the terms and condition display and click on Accept. Though you can as well go through it to understand their rules and regulations better. Then fill in your names, preferably your popular name or your nickname or your business name, though you can use your real names if you like. It all depends on your wish, and click on Next. Then input your password as you wish. Then make sure you follow the instructions. Click on Next Step. Then you can see input the password again. Just type in the same password. Then click on Confirm to confirm and save the password. Then the next step is to back up and copy down your recovery phrase, and it will ask you to confirm your recovery phrase for the first time, which you have to make sure you do it accordingly, otherwise it will take you back. But if you enter the phrase successfully, then you can proceed to the next stage. Then it will now take you to TronLink Pro interface as you are seeing it on the screen. Now let's now start the real work on how to claim or earn the 2000 Tron. As you can see from the interface, you can see that I have Blue Tron on this account. Then look at the bottom where you can see the following icons like Assets, Market, Discover and Mine. Just click on Mine. Then some sub-menu also will display. Look for Setting and click on it. Then locate Network Setting and click on it. Then click on Tron Shasta Testnet. Then you click on grpc.shasta.tronglade.io. Then click on Confirm to apply your request. Immediately you click on Confirm, it will grant your request and the interface change automatically. Then you click on Receive, where you need to copy the Tron address that you will need to claim or earn 2000 Tron. You can copy the Tron address and keep it on your notes because we are still coming back to it. You can just copy it and keep it there so that by the time we need it, we don't need to go back again. Then you need to navigate to the second website, or probably you can just check the comment section below and click on it to take you to the site. Alternatively, you can just type tronglade.io on your browser and allow it to display. Then from the menu above, just click on Developers. Then from the sub-menu of Developer, select Shasta. Then scroll down to where you can see looking for test TRS coin. Then make sure you paste the Tron wallet address copied earlier on the space provided here. Then click on I'm not a robot and then finally click on Submit. Then scroll down back again to the same position. Then you will see your request was successfully submitted. Please check your wallet. Then go back to your wallet on Tron and confirm the money sent. Wow, as you can see, the Tron has just been credited with 2000 Tron immediately. Thank you. That is all for today. In my next video, I will show you how to withdraw it and many more. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more updates.